So, this is a bit of an off-format video, but as I was trying to kind of find some inspiration, and, well, I should say inspiration, motivation, I was getting kind of nostalgic, and I remembered that back in the day, I used to be really into Pokemon cards. I know I've kind of missed the Pokemon card hype that was going on, but I found these tins in Dollar General when I was grocery shopping, and I remember my brother and I used to get these at Walmart. They still make them. We got the ones, I think they were actually like decks, like pre-constructed decks that you could use, but we got these at Walmart back with Diamond and Pearl in, I think, 2007 or 2009, some around that time. One of those two. I'm not sure, but it was one of those two. I think it was 2009, maybe. I don't know. But we got the ones. I got the one with Infernape, and he got the one with Empoleon, and we just liked playing with Pokemon cards, even though we never learned the rules for the game. But I thought it would be kind of cool to take a look at these, and they'll probably give me some nostalgia. But I found this Blissey and Gardevoir tin. They had a couple other products, but this is what caught my eye. So let's. I wanted to kind of just do a little unboxing, and they come with some packs that we can go ahead and crack. And let's go ahead and take a look at that. Let's start with Gardevoir. So this is not. I want to be very clear. I'm still doing tech. This is not going to be like a common thing for me. This is probably going to be like the only Pokemon card video I ever make. More than likely, because it's not like the format that I'm trying to pursue here. I just was kind of nostalgic, and I thought it'd be kind of cool to take a look at this. But again, I know that that's kind of besides the point of the channel, and I'll go back to normal content as well. But I just thought that this would be kind of nice to do. So here we have Gardevoir. It's a fairy type. Oh, I thought it was psychic. Yeah, I forgot. At one point, they added fairy energy to this game, so that's cool. So for one fairy, you get search your deck for 3 cards, put them into your hand, then shuffle your deck. That seems... is it just me, or does that seem like really good for having 1 energy attached to this? Oh, well, it is stage 3 evolution, so you got to get pretty far to get there, but that seems pretty good. Sensitive Ray. So for 3 energy, if you played a supporter card from your hand during this turn, this attack does 90 more damage for 160. That seems really good. So this seems like a decent card. I don't know too much about the TCG. I've learned how to play it, but I don't know like about what makes a card good and what makes a card bad. This seems like a pretty decent card. Like the first attack, the Brilliant Search, makes me think like you'd probably play this in like some sort of a control deck where you care about card advantage. I'm not sure. And then you can blast them with your higher powered sensitive. You get your cards in your hand, you play your supporter, then you can blast them with Sensitive Ray. That seems like it's what it would do, but I don't know. Is this a good card or not? You tell me down in the comments. I'm not sure. Seems pretty fine. If you want to build a fairy type deck, I suppose. But yeah, we'll put that back in here. I want to. I kind of want to display these on my shelf, so I want to make sure that I can keep it like that. Yeah, there you go. So that can go on my shelf now. And, oh, my playmat. This is the Miyazaki playmat. I got it at the flea market for $1. $1. So, yeah, it's pretty cool. You got Ponyo, you got the cat thing from Totoro, Howl's Moving Castle, Princess Mononoke, Totoro. Oh, where is the Spirited Away, Girl, Ponyo, love Ponyo. Kiki's Delivery Service, Nausicaa and the Valley of the Wind, one of my favorite Miyazaki movies. A lot of cool stuff. Yeah, so that's your Miyazaki playmat. I love it. I think it's pretty cool. I guess we'll save the packs for later. Yeah, I'm trying to just film this whole video in one take. So then we have Blissey. All right. Go ahead and get it out of there. Alright, so here you have Blissey, 160 HP. That seems like a lot of HP for a non-EX card. So it has a passive ability, Happiness Supplement. Once during your turn, before your attack, you may remove a special condition from your active Pokemon. Oh, that seems cool. So it's kind of like a cleric Pokemon. That seems neat. Okay, cool. And then it has Powerful Slap. So for 3 energy, flip a coin for each energy attached to this Pokemon. This attack does 80 damage for each heads. Oh, okay. So, okay. I mean, it needs 3 energy anyway, so you got the chance for 240. That seems like a lot, but again, flipping coins isn't very reliable, but yeah, seems neat. That passive ability seems like it would be really good to be like just sitting on your bench, and you can just kind of make sure you keep your Pokemon healthy. That seems pretty cool. All right, so we'll put that back. I'm not necessarily going to make decks with these, but I do want to have them for display purposes. I'm probably, like I said, probably not going to buy any more Pokemon cards, but I saw these and I felt nostalgic and I felt like treating myself, so I got those. So what is this set that this is called? I wanted to see. Okay, so this is Sword and Shield Lost Origin. Okay, that's neat. I know Sword and Shield. I don't actually own the Sword and Shield games. I did get Brilliant Diamond and Shining Pearl. I have both of those because Gen 4 is my favorite Pokemon generation. Gen 4, Sinnoh, I think, is the best. So I was really nostalgic and really hyped for it. I kind of want to get the Legends Arceus one because I think that one is pretty cool too. I'm going to take the Pokemon codes out so I can play them online. I actually set up my profile on the TCG so I can all of these packs. I think every single pack has a code and you can redeem that for an online pack. So that's pretty cool. I wish Magic the Gathering did that back when I played that game. I wish they did that, but oh well. Anyways, let's take a look at what we got here. So we got Snover, Machop. Oh, Pikachu! Sweet, that's a cute Pikachu. If this Pokemon has any energy attached, it has no retreat cost. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, that's pretty neat. I don't know, like, what is the benefit to that? Like, this is a basic Pokemon with very low HP. What would be the benefit of having a no retreat? Is it like a backup plan? Why would you want that? I don't know. Tell me down below. I need to learn more about the game. We got Jinx. That's pretty cool. Litwick. Ooh, this is cool. Chandelure. So we got a Chandelure, like a full art one. That's pretty neat. That's a cool. Oh God, look at that. It's like bent to hell. I guess foils they bend, but that's pretty cool. So you got Chandelure, Heat Blast, Mountain Roasting. When you play this Pokemon from your hand to evolve one of your Pokemon during your turn, you can discard the top 3 cards of your opponent's deck. Oh, so like a mill. That's like a mill card. I see. Cool. That's pretty neat. I don't know if it's worth anything, but it's a pretty cool card. Chandelure is kind of cool. I think it's a Gen 6 Pokemon in X and Y. Mimikyu. Fire Energy. Damage Pump. Ooh, Seviper. Cool. That's cool artwork. Sucker Punch and Turn. Switch this Pokemon with one of your benched Pokemon. Oh, so it's like a hit and run kind of thing. And then Stunfisk. All right, neat. You guys are gonna have to let me know down below. I'm not like looking up the values of this stuff until after the video, but you'll have to let me know how I did. I'm not sure. I'll take the QR code out of here. I don't know like what the value of any of these are. I'm not familiar with that. It's just not my thing. But yeah, Vanillite. Ooh, Trapinch. Nice. Oh, Teddiursa. I like Teddiursa. Pansear. Not a big fan of the Pan family in the Gen 5 games. Okay, I'm not familiar with this Pokemon. Morlull. That's after my time. I'm not sure about that one. Ooh, Furret. Furret is cute. I like Furret. That's really giving off like Heart Gold and Soul Silver vibes for me. Oh, like it. Ooh. Feeling fine. Draw 3 cards. That seems nice. Ooh, cool. Volcarona. Volcarona. That's cool. Seems good. I guess Charizard's better though, but that seems good. If your opponent's active Pokemon has no damage counters on it, before this attack does damage, this attack does nothing. Oh, I see. Okay. Alright, Grass Energy. Clang! Evolves from Clink. Ooh, Dartrix. Okay. And then, Dedenne? Something like that. Cool. Yeah, that Chandelure is pretty neat. I can't wait to redeem these packs online on the online trading card game. Those are cool. Not to. I like that they do that. I kind of wish Wizards of the Coast did that for Magic the Gathering, so you could redeem your packs on Magic Arena. That would be really nice if they did that. But I'm glad Pokemon does it. Grubbin, Stunky, Meditite. Oh, another cool artwork with like the normal energy in the background. Credent, Whiscash, Fighting Energy, Full Heal. Active okay. Sonia. Search your deck for 2 basic Pokemon or up to 2 basic energy cards. Put them in your hand, shuffle your deck. Oh, cool. Like a hand refill. And then Masquerain. 3 packs to go. But yeah, I was just feeling nostalgic, and I just wanted to get back into, well, not get back into Pokemon, but, you know, just to kind of take a trip down memory lane. Okay, the Hisuian Growlithe with, what is that? What symbol is this? I don't know what that symbol is for that energy. I'm not sure what that is. Huh. Interesting. Lickitung, Slugma, Clefairy, Apom, let's see, Arizu. Search your deck for up to 3 evolution Pokemon that don't have a rule box. Reveal them and put them into your hand. Oh, okay. So like the V and GX Pokemon, right? So like evolutions that aren't like V and GX and stuff. That makes sense. Okay. I think this is what the rule box is. I think that's a rule box. So that's what that means. And then, ooh, cool. Magnezone V. Oh, that's a pretty card. That's really pretty. That's pretty cool. Again, look, it's bent. The foils, man, they curve. What's up with that? But that's pretty cool. So you got Magnetic Tension. Switch one of your opponent's benched Pokemon with their active Pokemon. Does 40 damage to the new active Pokemon. Oh, that's cool. So like if they have like a really weak basic Pokemon on their bench, you can switch it out, damage it, and like score a knockout potentially if it's weak enough. That's pretty cool. And then you have Splitting Beam, 90 damage. It also does 30 damage to 2 bench Pokemon. Oh, that's so cool. So like Magnezone is really good at like attacking your opponent's bench and weakening them. That's pretty cool. That is pretty cool. And it's basic, so you can play it like pretty early on. That's neat. That is really neat. That seems good. It seems like a good card. I don't know. Again, guys, I don't know enough about the game, but tell me in the comments, is this a good card or not? I don't know, but let me know. Steel Energy, Fantina. Ooh, I like that artwork. It looks good. You can use this card only if you have 10 or more cards in the Lost Zone. What is the Lost? Is the Lost Zone the same as like the graveyard or discard pile? I'm familiar with Magic the Gathering. I'm not familiar with Pokemon. I don't know what the Lost Zone is. All your Pokemon take 120 less damage from attacks from your opponent's Pokemon V. Okay, so it seems it's like good against V Pokemon. But what if I'm not playing V Pokemon, or I'm not playing against V Pokemon? I don't know. It seems kind of very conditional. It doesn't seem that great. Bronzong. And then, ooh, Riley. I remember him. Reveal the top 5 cards and have your opponent choose 2. Discard the chosen cards and put the rest in your hand. Oh, yeah. If these cards, I swear to God, if these cards were in Magic the Gathering, they'd be so freaking busted. Because there are versions in Magic the Gathering that are identical to that are busted. Oh, no. Not again. Another Panseer. Mareep. Snubble. Ooh, Tauros, cool. Rookidee. Ooh, like a shiny Aeron. Nice. Darmanitan. That's a funky looking Darmanitan. Oh, it's Galarian form, so it looks different, I see. Okay. and it uses water energy to attack, so you have to play fire energy and water energy. Got psychic energy. Glimwood Tangle, so it's a stadium. And during each player's turn, after that player flips any coins, they may ignore all resort and begin flipping those coins again. Oh, so like you can get the coins that you want, or get a redo, I suppose. Cool. Shidnotic, and then rare fossil. Interesting. All right, last pack, and it has that guy on it. Again, I don't know Pokemon, man. It's not my. I'm returning to it just because of nostalgic purposes, but you know, I don't see myself really kind of picking up the game in a major way. In a major way, you know, after this. All right, Voltorb, Nosepass, Wingull, Fantump. I almost said Fantrump. Oh, politics. Bronzor. Ooh. Appleton. Evolves from Applin. Oh, that's cute. Once during your turn, you may flip a coin. If heads, switch one of your opponent's bench with their active Pokemon. Oh, nice. Nice. Ooh. Oh, cool. Okay. So we have Inteleon V. Again, oh, I love the art. This looks so good. Like, look at how shiny that is. That looks so cool. Let's see. 200 HP seems like a lot. This attack does 40 damage to one of your opponent's Pokemon. Don't apply for benched Pokemon. Oh, so you can actually snipe shot. That makes sense. It's snipe shot because you're literally sniping your opponent's Pokemon while they're on the bench. That's pretty cool. So you can like pick them off from the bench if you want. If you knock out an opponent's Pokemon on the bench, do you still get a prize card? I'm just curious. And then Aqua Report, your opponent reveals their hand. Oh, that seems cool. Nice. Pretty cool. All right, neat. Dark Energy, Electrode, Xatu, and Lombre. All right, cool. So that kind of does it for our pack opening. I wanted to open these tins and show you guys kind of what they were about, just because, you know, I was curious myself because, like I said, I used to do Pokemon. I used to collect them. I never learned how to play the game, but you know, I'm slowly learning the game now and learning, you know, kind of how it works. But yeah, these three cards, I gotta say, these are like at least I don't know if they're good, but they're the prettiest cards, I will say. I like these a lot. So Chandelure, Inteleon V, and Magnezone V. I'm not sure if these are worth anything, but hey, yeah, they seem cool and they're really pretty to look at. So hey, I think that's pretty cool. I'll call that a win. But that's really going to do it, guys. Let me know what you think. How did I do on my polls? But let me know. I'm just this is a trip down memory lane for me, and it was just kind of a quick, easy content and me kind of being nostalgic. But let me know, like, did you play the Pokemon game, and what do you think? And you know, what set and what deck did you like to build, and you know, all that good stuff. I'm just kind of curious. But yeah, this was really cool for me to look back on. But that's going to do it for this video. Thanks for watching, guys. I will be back with some tech content soon. But this was kind of a substitute because I'm not doing a Goodwill hunts in this week because I didn't find anything. So yeah, but that's where we're at. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see y'all next time.